It is never late to ask yourself, am I ready to change my life? Am I ready to change myself? However old we are, whatever we went through, it is always possible to reborn. If each day is a copy of the last one, what a pity. Every breath is a chance to reborn, but to reborn into a new life, you have to die before dying. When everyone is trying to be something, be nothing, range with emptiness. Instead of resisting to changes, slender, let life be with you, not against you. If you think my life will be upside down, don't worry. How do you know down is not better than upside? The chemistry of mind is different from the chemistry of love. The mind is careful, suspicious. He advances little by little. He advises, be careful, protect yourself. Whereas love says, let yourself go. The mind is strong, never falls down, while love hurts itself, falls into ruins. But isn't it in ruin that we mostly find the treasures? A broken heart hides so many treasures. A life without love is a waste. Should I look for spiritual love, or material, or physical love? Don't ask yourself this question. Discrimination leads to discrimination. Love does not need any name, category, or definition. Love is a world itself. Either you are in at the center, either you are out yearning. There are more fake guides, teachers in the world than stars. The real guide is one who makes you see your inner beauty, not the one who wants to be admired and followed. It is pointless trying to know where the way leads. Think only about your first step, the rest will come. You can study God through everything and everyone in the universe because God is not confined in a mosque, synagogue, or church. But if you are still in the need of knowing where exactly His abode is, there is only one place to look for Him in the heart of a true lover. Patience is not sitting and waiting, it is foreseeing. It is looking at the throne and seeing rose, looking at the night and seeing the day. Lovers are patient and know that the moon needs time to become full. This world is like a mountain. Your echo depends on you. If you scream good things, the world will give it back. If you scream bad things, the world will give it back. Even if someone says badly about you, speak well about him. Change your heart to change the world. Whatever happens in your life, no matter how troubling things might seem, do not enter the neighborhood of despair. Even when all doors remain closed, God will open a new path for you. Be thankful. It is easy to be thankful when all is well. A Sufi is thankful not only for what he had been given, but also for all that he has been denied. You learn by reading but understand by love. No matter what people call you, you are just who you are. Keep to this truth. You must ask yourself, how is it you want to live your life? We live and we die. This is the truth that we can only face alone. No one can help us. So consider carefully what prevents you from living the way you want to live your life. Love is a travel. All travelers, whether they want or not, are changed. No one can travel into love and remain the same. Don't search for heaven and hell in the future. Both are no present. Whenever we manage to love without expectations, calculations, negotiation, we are indeed in heaven. Whenever we fight, hate, we are in hell. Do not worry about the tricks and cheaters. If some people are trying to trap and hurt you, Allah is also trapping them. Hole diggers will always fall in their holes. No bad remain unpunished, and no good remain without rewarded. So have faith in justice and let the rest be. Whenever you go, east, west, north, or south, think of it as a journey into yourself. The one who travels into itself travels the world. You can be everything in life, but the important thing to be a good person. Be sure that someday you're praised and thank God for your unanswered prayer that once you had wept for them. Intellect takes you to the door, but it doesn't take you into the house. Most of the problems of the world stem from linguistic mistakes and simple misunderstandings. Don't ever take word at face value. Once you step into the zone of love, language as we know it becomes obsolete. That which cannot be put into words can only be grasped through silence. What does patience mean? It means to look at the throne and see the rose, to look at the night and see the dawn. Impatience means to be short sighted, as to not be able to see the outcome. The lovers of the God never run out of patience, for they know that time is need for the crescent moon to become full. The real dirt is not outside, but inside. In our hearts, we can wash all stains with water. The only one who cannot remove is the grudge and the bad intentions sticking to our hearts. The past is an interpretation, the future is an illusion. The world does not move through time as if it were a straight line, proceeding from past to the future. Instead, time moves through and within us in endless spirals. Eternity does not mean infinite time, but simply timelessness. If you want to experience internal illumination, put the past and future out of your mind and remain within the present moment. You have to live with people in hypocrisy for them to stay happy with you. Be grateful. It is easy to thank after obtaining what you want. Thank before having what you want. A good man complains of no one. He does not look to faults. The past is a fog on our minds. The future, a complete dream. We cannot neither guess the future, neither change the past. How we see God is a direct reflection of how we see ourselves. We don't see things as they are, we see them as we are. If God brings to mind mostly fear and blame, it means there is a too much fear and blame welled inside us. If we see God as full of love and compassion, so are we. When a sincere woman begins to dance, the seven heavens, the earth, and all creature begin to dance. We believe that God sees us from above, but He actually sees us from inside. Only from the heart you can touch the sky.